Have you ever wondered what this exercise is for? Well, I'm gonna tell you. This is a cable kickback and it's for your glutes. Again, this is not a huge building exercise for your glutes, but it's a nice exercise to add at the end of a heavy compound movement like a hip thrust or a squat, something of that nature, okay? Commonly done very, very wrong. If you're feeling this in your back, it's likely because you're not setting it up right. So come with me, let's set it up together. All right, you're gonna pull that cable all the way down to the ground. Now, you wanna get your body parallel to the ground. So if you're up here doing this, you're not getting a lot of range of motion and you're driving that all into your low back. So I like to just come really, really low, drop your chest, keep your core engaged. That's gonna help protect your low back. And then look down towards the ground, get that leg. You're gonna kick it just to parallel, squeeze that glute. One common mistake is people try to go real crazy here, rack up the whole stack of weights when they don't need to. This is not a big compound movement. You wanna get enough tension, you wanna feel that burn, but you're not trying to crush your glutes with a cable. This is not an ideal exercise for that. So you're gonna kick up, you're gonna squeeze, and then you're gonna come back down. You don't wanna just go into a bunch of kicks here. Your body should not be moving a ton. If it's moving a ton, you're doing it wrong. You know, lighten the weights, focus on control, focus on form, and you'll see some nice glutes.